Your cell phone has the latest version of Android and you are in this problem that you haven't been able to recover and solve what? It's this little padlock that appears in the upper left corner. Don't worry, because in this video tutorial, it is completely without the need to use a PC. A method without a PC. What are we going to do? I always recommend that you watch the step-by-step video tutorial because we'll be doing a series of configurations where you can make mistakes. These configurations that we will be making automatically in these videos. The process isn't working, as some people are getting ahead of our video tutorial and these methods never work for him because some are always lost. Configurations that we make. Having said all that, we have the padlock on the part top left and here we have accessibility. Previously, when we already had this, the device gave us access to fix and recover it. Let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. The first thing we're going to do is get to that point where that block appears on the screen and to the point where that account appears asking, what happened? We changed our screen lock, but I just finished. Since we had some time, we left our phone numbers. We made it a bit difficult, we'd forgotten. What did we do? We reset the cell phone. Then it took us back to the beginning, leaving us with that little padlock here. And now it lets us move forward so we can get back to the start. If that's your case, well, we're going to give you the whole solution so that you too can do it in the easiest and fastest way. A completely PC-free method. Okay, here we have what this blockade is. The screen here tells us to use my Google account. Here it tells us to use my Google account. If we can see here that it asks for your email address if you also forgot about that block. That's a good email. What you're going to do is click here where it says, Forget Gmail. Next, you click Next, you click here, you write here too, and you go. Click here, Next, you're going to do this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds, you keep pressing Next, Next, Next until that time has passed. In those 30 seconds, you're going to do this quickly. Let's press Next. Next, in some cases the device may sometimes freeze. Don't worry, we'll do that, we'll go back now. We'll click here, that would be the beginning of everything, we're going to click here for accessibility. We give it to him in Talbad, we enable that Talbad. We click here twice, we click here twice. We'll click Deny twice here. Once we've denied that, we'll turn it off here. Then we go back and now we're going to give it the screen several times. We click back, then we click Add New Network. We give it a little click, we give it the language option, the 3 dots, Update. We go back, we turn it off here, and here too. Then we go down to the last options, here we turn this off. We go back, we press Reset here to reset all these options. We're going to remove all 4 options, including the cache. Now we're going to press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button simultaneously, and what we're going to do is a forced restart. Let's do a forced restart, now that our phone is restarting. We'll wait for our phone to restart and take us to the home screen. Once we've reached the beginning, we'll be finalizing this process. Recovery. We'll wait until it starts and we'll be finishing what? Is this method for those people for whom it suddenly doesn't work? If you didn't do everything we did in this video from the beginning of the, then I recommend you rewind the video so you can analyze it. Let us know what. On which model has it worked for you, and on which device is it not working? Now what we are going to do is the following. Let's click here on Start, let's click here on Add. Then we click here on Galaxy, here we would have this QR code. What are we going to do? We'll look for another phone, it has to have a screen lock. You need to have a Google account. Added here we have being connected to a Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network must be synchronized on the same network. Then we need to have what is, Google. We click on this little camera. Then what we're going to do is scan here. And as you can see here, we get the option to log in with Google. We get the option to sign in with Google and what? What we're going to do is perform this synchronization. Now what are we going to synchronize? We're going to synchronize, Let's draw here what this screen lock is and let's. To sync the Google account that this device had here. We will be syncing the Google account to this other phone. We would be synchronizing those two options. Now that they are synchronized as, we can see, it will show us what this little ball here is. When it shows us that little ball, we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Let's press those two. Press those two buttons and we'll do that forced restart again. We're going to do that forced restart, and now what? What we're going to do is take us directly to the home page. So we've already done that synchronization, the two devices have already been synchronized. What would happen now is that this phone, the Google account that this phone had would be synced to this other one. That's how easy and quick it would be to fully synchronize this device with it. What are we going to do now? Okay, pay close attention because we're now at the final point. We're going to click here to start, we're going to click here to add. Click here. Now it should show us here that the Google account we had in the other phone has been added to this phone. We had to get it back, so it's been added. Let us know in the comments. If our device worked for you, great. If it didn't work, click here. We're going to click here, that's it. Yes, you can see that the email address now appears up there. We click next. We click next and now it would take us to this other one. Section where it would take us, where we find what those Google Play services are. When we get here, we're just one step away to be able to recover and get back to the beginning. Click here where it says, do not copy. You can add a screen lock here. I'm going to click skip to avoid doing anything else extensive, and we can see that we have the email again there. Now we'll wait here, we'll give it a go here. We click on continue, we click here on don't skip. We click on don't jump, we wait a few seconds. After we wait here, we click here where they are. We click here next, we click on skip, we click on skip, we click on add. We click next, we click next. We'll wait a few seconds, we'll wait here. We wait, and this would take us directly to the beginning. Once we're at the beginning, we'll be finalizing this process. Recovery. This would be one of the easiest and most. It would be faster without needing to use a PC. They know that in the video description and in the first, we have other, completely different methods.